In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation as a .pptx file. Whether you're polishing a presentation for work or school, ensuring your presentation is saved correctly is crucial. Let's dive into the easy steps to make sure your PowerPoint presentation is saved in the right format. First, you'll need to have PowerPoint installed on your computer, so go ahead and open the PowerPoint application. Once it's open, navigate to the presentation you want to save. If it's not open yet, take a moment to find it among your files and open it within PowerPoint. This is your preparation stage where you set up everything before saving it in the exact format you need. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen and you'll see the File tab. This tab is like your command center for all things file related. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a menu drop down with a list of options, ranging from creating a new presentation to printing your current one. From this menu, navigate to the Save As option. This choice is crucial because it gives you more flexibility with how your file is stored and allows you to select the Pptx format explicitly. Select Save As and you'll be prompted with a dialog box. This dialog box is where the magic happens. In the dialog box, you'll notice a couple of drop-down menus. Click on the second drop-down menu, which lists the file extension options. By default, it might display a different file format like PDF or an older version of PowerPoint. What you need to do here is scroll through this list until you find the option labeled PowerPoint Presentation, which corresponds to the Pptx file type. The Pptx option ensures your presentation is saved with the most current features and compatibility, which is especially important for sharing the file with others or using it on different devices. Once you've selected the PowerPoint presentation option, you're almost there. Double check to make sure the file extension is Pptx. After verifying everything looks good, the final step is to click the Save button. By doing this, you effectively lock in all the changes and ensure your presentation is saved in the proper format. And there you have it, your presentation is now safely stored as a .pptx file. This format retains all PowerPoint's interactive capabilities and ensures that your slideshows can be opened and edited on most computers without a hitch. Remember, using the correct file extension is key to maintaining the functionality and accessibility of your presentation across different platforms. If you ever run into issues or need to save it differently, revisiting these steps will guide you through the process again. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.